Hi guys! So for today's video reaction guys, alam naman natin no. So, alam na natin lahat guys na sobrang napaka-trending to guys at super proud tayo nito dahil ito lang naman ang pangalawang kababayan nating Filipino na nitong ni Celine Dion. So, kilala nyo naman si Celine Dion, no? Yung legendary na singer as in. Super idol ko yan. So, siya ang pangalawang na-acknowledge ipalagay natin, no, nga. Sobrang bumilib itong si Celine Dion sa kanya. Una itong si Charis Pimpinko. So, ngayon, ito na naman siya. So, bago ko i-reveal ang pangalan, so, panoorin muna natin ang video na yan.
And then we'll do the song. Okay? Here's the clip of Celine talking about everybody.
David's last call.
Celine Dion.
And I was in Montreal, he was in California, Malibu. I arrived to the studio. He says, you're gonna freak. It's so amazing. But he said, I have a little surprise for you. And I'm like, oh, okay. And he plays me the track, When I Was Young. And it starts and it's so beautiful. And then he said, wait at the bridge. I did a little something. And then the key that we had agreed on, he changed it to a key and a half for the modulation. And I was like, is that the final, the key that finishes is the key that we chose, right? No, it says it's a key and a half higher. But I said, David, how could you do that?
Right.
And he said, you can't do it. There's other singers next to I can't. And that's all I needed to hit the note.
It's a true story. I actually said to her, hey, if you can't do it, there's singers next door that can do it. And actually Whitney Houston was in the other studio. But I didn't say her name. But anyway, it was all in fun. And Celine ended up getting the note. And now we have news to tell you. Ready?
Imagine guys, male favorite songs ko, no? So, Diyos ko, ayaw ko na, my God, grabe. Ito talaga yung ano guys, yung male version siya ni ano talaga, ni Charis Pimpin ko. As in, super. Wala ka talagang masabi na as in na yung ano talaga, just ko, speechless, di ba? Alam nyo guys, itong performance ni Steel ay ano lang daw to, hindi daw talaga to yung nag-rehearse talaga na practice to ng todo na ano, sandali lang daw tong ano nito, ang rehearse daw na impronto daw talaga to ang pagka ano, hindi niya alam na kung ano yung mga arrangement ng lyrics or arrangement ng sounds or whatever, kasi ang akala niya nito ay ano lang, yung magtitis lang ng earbuds, but ito yung, ayun, akala niya ganun lang. So, pinakanta siya kaagad-agad. Impronto. Kaya ito na. Wow, grabe! As in, talented talaga to siya guys, sa dancing, sa choreography, singing, lahat na talaga as in. Wala kang masabi. Grabe, napaka-gifted talaga as in. Wow, David Foster guys, hindi basta-basta talaga niya magbibigay ng compliment guys. Sobrang dami na talaga ang nag-perform na mga kababayan din natin na mga Filipino. Si Charis, itong si Steel lang talaga na sobrang napawaw talaga siya as in. May mga Filipino din naman na nag-perform kay David Foster, pero ayan, mga nice din naman yun siya, mga good singer din, sikat din ng mga singer na lahat. Si Morissette nag-perform din sa kay David Foster. Lahat ng mga ano guys, lahat ng mga singer guys, pangarap talaga nila na maka-perform sa isang David Foster talaga. At isa na doon si Steel. Oh my God, can't believe it, diba? So, hindi mo talaga maano nga, Diyos ko Lord, David Foster, o diba? So ayan, siguro mga one of these days nasa Amerika na yan si Steel guys. Ay Diyos ko Lord, grabe. Yung alam mo ba na yung blessings talaga ni God ay talagang maghahanap hanap talaga yan ng paraan na maibibigay talaga sa'yo. Kaya ito na yan. So kaya Steel, congrats. Oh my God, is B19 yan. Diyos ko guys, diba, wala na talaga akong masabi as in kundi the best of all the best. Sabi nga diba ni David Foster na favorite male singer daw. Oh my God. Woo!